So hello guys, welcome to the channel and you're listening to Komal Tara. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about superposition principle questions because I personally like this topic a lot. Clear? So in the last video we talked about this previous year questions only, but in this video also we are going to talk about the previous year questions only because you know how much I've been preaching about this since I guess 3 or 4 videos about that how much important the superposition principle is. In fact, all this whatever topic which I'm about to teach now, this superposition principle, this tunneling and variational principle, perturbation part, first order, second order, right, and this one Huckel molecular orbital, and this one emotivity and this spin and all term symbols. You know that these topics are literally soul of quantum mechanics and the soul of entrance exam. Clear? So without delaying, let's start our today's video. So I'm going to discuss some previous year questions, so people who are chemistry people don't get confused that I'm taking physics questions also, because you know that physics questions level are a little bit higher, so I take those questions so that whenever superposition, any question come in front of you of quantum, you can easily do it within seconds. Clear? So let's start our part for today's video. So the first question is this one, which itself is marked as 1. Clear? So the first question is, the wave function of state of hydrogen atom is given by this. So guys, this psi is given. So also guys, I need to tell you that how to identify that question is from superposition principle. Whenever state sum will be given, different wave function sum will be given, that linear combination will be given. So you have to take into consideration that this question can belong to superposition principle. Clear? So this psi is given, which is linear combination of this, so I can assume it is 1 before that. So it is psi 200 and psi 211, psi 210 plus psi 21 minus 1. Clear guys? So you can see this question is very much similar to the last one which I talked in the last video. Clear? So but still discuss it because for people who are new. Clear? So let's discuss it. So this psi and NLM denote the normalized eigenfunction of state with quantum number NLM. So guys, this state represent N, this state represent L, and this state represent M. Always remember that. Clear? And you need to find the expectation value of LZ. So you need to find this LZ, expectation value of LZ. So you know that LZ, expectation value of LZ would be, so I hope you all are pro in this one now, that would be P1 into LZ1 plus P2 into LZ2. For people who are not getting this, please see previous lecture. I have explained this so patiently that you will automatically get everything. Clear? So that would be P3 LZ3 plus P4 into LZ4. Clear? So that is the basic formula. But so before proceeding, I told you one thing, that before proceeding you need to check this thing, that whether C1 square plus how many states are there. So 4 states, 1 2 3 4 4 states are there. So you will write 4 square, C1 square plus C2 square plus C3 square plus C4 square. So it should be equal to 1. Clear? So then only you can proceed, to this value. Clear? So that is my main agenda. Clear? So let's see whether this is coming, C1 square plus C2 square plus C3 square is coming equal to this one or not. Clear? So let's go down to the solution. I have already written the solution, so things become very easy. And yeah, so guys, what we'll do, so what we'll do here, that here when we'll be taking, you can see, so I'm writing over here again this psi. So it was given like this, I have already written over here. So I will write this was given, that it was 1 psi 200, clear, plus 2 psi 211, clear, plus 3, I have forgot to write over here, so I thought to tell you, plus psi 2 1 minus 1. Clear? So I need to calculate C1 square plus C2 square plus C3 square plus C4 square is equal to 1 or not. Clear? So what is C1, which is 1? So I will take 1 square plus C2 square. So what is C2? That is 2. So I will take 2 square plus what is C3? That is 3. So I will take 3 square plus C4. What is C4? That is 1. So I will take 1 square. So that should be equal to 1 or not. I need to check. Clear? So I'll be telling you if it is not coming equal to 1, then what you have to do? You have to check this condition every time before proceeding for this superposition principle. Clear? So now let's see what will be my answer. It will be 1 plus 2 square will be 4, 3 square will be 9, and it would be 1. So 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14 plus 15. So it is coming 15, which is not equal to 1. So guys, I have to make my psi, whatever wave function psi is given, I have to make it normalized. For normalized, it should be equal to 1, but now it is not coming equal to 1. So for making psi normalized, what you will do? You will take whatever number you are having, you will take its inverse, you will take its reciprocal. Simply, this is a trick. Simply take a reciprocal, just take a under root and then multiply it with the given wave function. This, just multiply with this given wave function. Take that number. So I got 15. Take that number, take the inverse. Clear? Then take the under root and then multiply it. So I'll make a new wave function. So when I'll be multiplying it with 1 by root 15, so I'll get this wave function, which is 1 by root 15 psi 200 plus 2 by root 15 psi 21. Simply I'm taking this wave function and multiplying it with 1 by root 15. So I'll get 3 by root 15 psi 210 plus 1 by root 15 psi 211 21 minus 1. Clear? So now what I'll do, now my new C1 is this one. And I'll proceed according to this wave function, not according to this one. Always remember this. So new C3 is this one and new C4 is this one. Clear? Whatever coefficient apart from wave function, that is C1, C2, C3 and C4. Clear? So I need to calculate this LZ, and I told you that the LZ, well, so for calculating LZ, so it should be P1 into LZ1 plus P2 into LZ2, whatever is given. If it is L square, so you will write P1 into L1 square plus P2 into L2 square, like that. So how many states are given, you will keep writing according to the states. Clear? So I will write P3 into LZ3 plus P4 into LZ4. So now guys, what I'll do, so you know that what is LZ. So LZ is MH cut. Clear? So LZ is MH cut. So guys, I have also like one more thing you can see here. So that can save your time. That can make you, that can set you apart from this competition, because everybody will be calculating this P1 LZ1, this P2 LZ2, P3 LZ3 and P4 LZ4. But what you will do, you know that this LZ is MH cut. So here also you can see many values has M is equal to 0. Can you see? It is N, it is L and it is M. So here for psi 200, M is 0. And for this second state, M is 1. For this third state, M is 0. And for this fourth state, M is minus 1. The last one. Clear? That the last one we consider, that is M. Clear? So simply don't take that part, which wherever M is equal to 0. Because if you write LZ, if you write LZ1, if you write LZ1, here M is 0. If I write for this one, so LZ is MH cut. So here it would be 0H cut. So my LZ1 would be 0. Clear? So when I'll be putting over here 0 into P1, that would be 0. So obviously this part will be 0 automatically. Clear? And same for this one. Here also it is M is equal to 0. So when I'll be calculating LZ3, so that would be MH cut. Then again would be 0H cut, that again would be 0. So when it will be multiplied with P3, that would be also 0. Clear? So this will be 0 and this will be 0. So I will not take these parts. Simply just neglect them. So I will take P2 part and this P4 part. Clear? So let's calculate for this P2 and P4 and this LZ2 and LZ4. So when I'll be calculating this value, so when I'll be calculating this P2 value and P4 value, you know that is the square of this one, square of the coefficient. Clear? So that is the square of coefficient. So what I'll do now, I'll take their coefficient. So let's take their coefficient. So now what will happen? So it is P3. So I will take P3 is equal to C3 square. That would be 3 by root 15. So that would be, I have to take P2. I'm so sorry. I have to take P2. So I will take P2 is equal to C2 square. So what is C2? That is 2 by root 15. So 2 by root 15 square will become what? 2 by root 15 square will become 4 by 15. Clear? So now I have to take P4 also, because P1 and P3 got neglected because LZ value was coming 0. So overall it was becoming 0. So now I'll calculate P4. So P4 would be C4 square, and you know C4 is 1 by root 15 square. So that would be equal to 1 by 15. Clear? That would be equal to 1 by 15. So now let's calculate LZ value. So LZ2. So if I calculate LZ2, so that is LZ2 value, guys. Here it is LZ2 value, and here it is LZ4 value. This is, yeah. Clear? So now let's see. Now let's see what will happen. So LZ2 value would be MH cut. So here M is 1. Here M, because this is second state, so LZ2 would be MH cut. So here M is 1, so you will write H cut, because 1 into H cut would be H cut. Clear? For now you will calculate LZ4. LZ4 would be this one, M into H cut again. So here M is minus 1, so you will write minus 1 into H cut, that would become minus H cut. Clear? So now let's put this into the formula. So when I'll be calculating it in the formula, so it would be P2 into LZ2. So what is P2? P2 is this 4 by 15. 4 by 15. So I wrote 4 by 15 into this. I am writing over here, guys. LZ2. P2 into LZ2 plus P4 into LZ4. Clear? So this LZ2 value was H cut. So I wrote H cut. So then what was P4? So P4 was 1 by 15. So I wrote 1 by 15, and LZ4 I calculated, that was minus H cut. So 1 by 15 into minus H cut, it will become minus 1 by 15 into H cut. So when I'll calculate it, it will become 3 by 15 H cut. Clear? 3 by 15 H cut. Clear, guys? So when I'll be simplifying it more, so it will become H cut by 5. Clear? So that is the answer. That is H cut by 5 is the answer. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you liked this lecture, and I hope now you can easily identify that how to solve this average value for average or expectation value of LZ, L square, and this one, the energy. You can easily find it out. So in the next class also, I'm going to discuss this superposition principle only, questions based on that. Clear? In that part, I'm going to take this I thing. You know, whenever I things comes, the question becomes different, and you always tend to do many mistakes. I can assure you, I can bet that 95% of you will be doing like that only. So I'll be showing you that how you should not do question, and what is the exact way to attempt question when I thing comes, iota, when iota or complex number, whatever you say it, fine, comes in the question, then how to attempt the question and how to not commit mistakes. Clear? So that's it for this one. I hope you like this lecture, and if you have any questions, any queries, please feel free to drop some message in the comment section. Also tell me whether you like this lecture or not. Clear? So that's it for this one. Also, you can follow me on other social media platforms. So I'm on Instagram also, you can follow me there also. The link will be somewhere here. Clear? So you can follow me there also. So that's it for this one. So I'll see all of you in the next one. Till then, bye, and keep smiling. Bye bye.